should have your disciplined but unlimited enjoyment. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words.
Now, as we can all see, we have a special guest amongst us today. And I believe we don't need any prior introduction, but this individual has been a prominent Indian film actor, producer, and a former model. He has also received 2 Filmfare Award nominations and is the co-owner of the Indian Super League football team, Northeast United.
He also takes interest in social activities such as PETA and Habitat for Humanity. With this recent release of Rocky Handsome, let us please and welcome the one and only John Abraham!
I've been in this industry for about 13 years, and I honestly, it sounds very cliche, but I've never seen a response like this. So, I'd like to my Chancellor, the Chancellor, and everybody sitting on this podium out here. Thank you for having me here. Thank you to all the, Rocky Handsome, this is better. A big thank you to all of you for such a beautiful welcome, and I see a lot of handsome men and very beautiful women out here. All of you, really lovely, including the gentleman on the podium. And just like how our Chancellor said, I really love noise. So if you can just get the roof. Okay, so I'm just gonna say 3 cheers for SRM. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Fantastic, and all the best for your festival, Milan. And I'm really fortunate and happy to be here. I have a release coming up on the 25th of March, and I've worked. Sorry, the Chancellor is going to throw me out if I even do this much. But okay, let me just sound a little boring for 2 seconds and tell you guys something which I think you already know. To see more than 3,000 students sitting here so disciplined and not one of you has moved is an absolute pleasure to see. So big hand to all of you. Secondly, like my dad always told me, my parents always told me, son, study. And I always thought, like, that's the most boring thing to hear all the time. But trust me, and especially for all you guys and even girls, there is nothing sexier than intelligence. So study hard, get all the knowledge in the world, because the most powerful weapon in the world is the knowledge you possess. So don't let that ever go. I did my MBA from Mumbai University. I specialized in marketing, and I studied for 2 whole years, and I really worked hard. I burnt the midnight oil, I was ranked 7 in university, sir. 7th. I really believe that all the choices are made as a producer, because as an actor, I made certain mistakes. I try to make that up as a producer. And I said, I want to make the films that make a difference. And I made films like Vicky Donor and Madras Cafe. So all I'm saying to all you guys is that be honest citizens, work really hard, and all you guys and girls work out in the gym too. It's fantastic. I have to tell you this, I sleep by 9:30, 10, I wake up at 4:30, and when I go out for a jog, people are returning home from their parties. So while they're coming home and sleeping, I'm working out and sweating it out in the gym. So keep all the good habits up. Don't do drugs. The most boring thing you're going to listen to, don't do drugs. It's not worth it. It doesn't make you cooler than anybody around. Yeah? Study hard, and I have just finished shooting a schedule for a film called Dishum with Varun Dhawan. And I'm going back to shoot with him, and I'm going to tell him that I came to this university, SRM, and it's absolutely fantastic, and I hope and I wish that, I can come back again. And does anybody like Shruti Hassan here? Okay. I have to tell Shruti that I'll probably get her back before the 25th of March and say, come to this place. This place is absolutely spectacular. But I've been told by Sir here, Mr. Sethuraman, that I'm supposed to be open to questions by the audience, right? So you guys want to ask me some questions? Shall I come down or? But maybe I should just go down to there. Just... Come down, right? Okay. Okay, you guys have to allow me to walk. Okay guys, I need some way to kind of walk through. And where am I going to walk through from? I'll just say hello to some people here. Hi guys, hi. Okay. Okay, there are more people behind me than in front of me, guys. I wish I could come up and say hi to all of you, especially all the people out there at the windows as well. And here. But I think I'll go back because okay, I must tell you. Okay, guys, sorry. I think you guys are more disciplined than the people out here. Okay, so I'm open to questions that you guys want to. Let me just read that carefully. It says Rocky Handsome. Come here. What does it say? Rocky Handsome, can I have a selfie with you? Of course, yeah. Okay, I'm open to questions. Has anybody given them a mic there? Does anyone have any questions to ask me? We won't take long, so we'll answer 5-6 questions and... Selfie? Would you all want to take off your t-shirts? Okay. We'll give you a small glimpse of that and show you a little bit of hard work that's gone in at a later point of time. But for now, does anyone need to...
Hello, one question.
Sir, I'm Lakshmi. Me and my friends, we have a small doubt. If you could be a teenage college student all over again, what would be the first thing you would do? As a teenage college student.
I think I'll have more girlfriends, you know. I honestly was very shy in college. I wish I could just rewind. I definitely do that. But in a good way, in a clean way, and meet a lot of people out there.
Hi, John.
Hi guys, where are you?
John. Hi.
Hi.
How hard was the transition from being an actor to a producer?
Well, I think as an actor, things were far easier because you just had to assume a role and play it. There was not a lot of stress, but as a producer, the whole machinery belongs to you. It's like these gentlemen here are actually producers of this project, and they create stars out of you guys. So I think their job looks easy, but it's absolutely stressful. So, you know, I just want you guys to give an honest round of applause to the people sitting here because they really worked hard for where you are, and they've structured your lives. So I think being a producer is tough. I've launched people like Ayushman, and I'm looking at creating scripts for a lot more of the younger population.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir.
Yeah, call me John, not sir.
John, sir. Sir, over here.
Where are you, da? Okay.
Sir, it's just a request. Over here, standing on the seat. Can I touch your
Oh,
biceps?
yes. Yeah. And they're real, they're not photoshopped.
John!
Yeah, where are you, my love?
Here!
Thank you, Abhishek.
Hello!
Where are you? I can't see you, my love.
Behind! Woo!
Okay.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to tell you, I love you!
If you love me, you've got to come here and give me a hug. But I see you're very far away. Okay, till my love comes and gives me a hug. Is there anything else that anyone wants to ask me? Anything that will help you with your studies? Okay, with your workouts maybe.
John! I love you so much!
Where are you? You know, there are more than 3,000 people sitting here. You have to really jump so I can see you.
I'm here!
You sound very beautiful, but I still can't see you. Towards the light. Okay, yeah.
Can I get a hug?
Come and give. Oh, come on. If everybody wants a hug, I'll have to come and hug everyone out here.
Last question.
John!
Yeah,
First of all, I really love you a lot. And
thank you.
I have a question for you.
Sure, ask me.
Do you have a girlfriend?
You're a little behind the times, baby.
I know you're married. You can treat your wife as a girlfriend, right?
You know, okay, interesting that you brought this up, and this is for all of you who are in love or in a relationship. And I've learned through relationships, and I'll tell you this, always treat your partner as your best friend. And the most important thing, more than love, is respect and trust. So it's very, very important. And that goes for all you guys out there, because you know, we guys, we mature a little after the women. So guys have to be, am I right? See one girl's clapping there also, yeah. So just be mature, be secure, and everything will turn out fine in your relationship.
Check. Now, due to time constraints, we will have to move on with the function. I'm so sorry. Due to time constraints, we'll have to move on with the function.
Okay guys, once again, thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For such a warm welcome, and I'd also like to thank Thomas and Ramya. I think they've been absolutely fantastic in hosting this show, and everybody here on the podium, a big hand to all of you. And for one last time, I just want to hear you bring this house down. 1, 2. Thank you guys. Thank you. Love you. Thank you.
Check. Can you all please settle down? Please settle down.